Before I take that part, I was just trying to connect something what has happened in the past. Uh, if I connect COVID to like an identical thing which would have happened somewhere in World War II or an epidemic in India, and I was just thinking on these lines that what would have happened that time when World War and this happened. The education would have been disconnected. Kids of that time, because of no facilities available, would have developed disinterest into learning, and many would have been early dropouts of that particular generation which was there. Then I connect something on in lines with, have you heard about summer slide? Summer slide, parents? Okay. When I talk about this, split the words. It is summer and the slide. It happens every year in learning. That when there is a summer, around 45 to 60 days of holiday, the learning graph goes down. The learning tempo goes down. When it resumes in June or in March, in our case, the teacher, the student, and backend the parents struggle to come up back to that level where they were. This is the damage which is done in 45 to 60 days. So that is a damage part. एक बार जो हम बोलते हैं हमने enjoy किया है studies and the vacation. That is one part. The other part is this is a summer slide which is there is enough research available when you put it in the search engine that regresses your learning for the initial few days also. So I was just connecting to this COVID slide if it was to happen and there was no teaching happening. And today we are 6 months, not 45, 60 days. We are 6 months towards that slide, and we are so blessed with this online thing. There are several people criticizing कि कुछ अच्छा नहीं हो रहा है, and so on. It is not equal to. Whereas the effort of online was put in the moment this came in that there is a lockdown. We geared up in our system saying that no, we should not have the COVID slide, which is uncertain today also. When are we going to reopen the school? And how blessed we are that with this struggle of these teachers, right, the slide is regressed. If not going upwards, it has retained the level at which the kids left for. And not to forget, the PG kids, they are blessed with something which was otherwise not available the entire year. No doubt parents would say, hum padhayenge, but you wanted organized teaching, structured teaching, a system, a process to be followed. And that's how we are here all together. And we are all struggling. Parents, teachers, and the system completely. So in these cases, just let me tell you that I'm in connect with at least a group of 500 schools. And while they were discussing in the group, we were pioneers. A few of the schools, we are among the first of them which went. So all of us as parents responded, teachers and the leaders. We have to be very proud of ourselves. So I just wanted to share this for sure that if people are seeing that there is no advantage of online, this is the COVID slide which has been saved for every child of ours who would have otherwise over 6 months developed disinterest either out of not an organized part of teaching at home or forced teaching by parents, and dislike towards studies would have happened. Both sides would have been possible. And beyond that, now coming to what next? If the school starts, we know very well that it is not at par every child is learning. So the plan is already being worked out that we will have an assessment, finding out individually which child has done at what level, and then remedial classes to bring them all on one page. Not to forget the flip side that if the kids come in, it's an effort of fumigation, disinfectants, and bada journey on those lines which is not going to go before 8 to 12 months from now, at least. Maybe lifelong, we don't know. It may continue till then. So these are the things which I wanted to share, that the past and the future and what we are, एक लंबा सोच करके चल रहे हैं. लंबा सोच करके चल रहे हैं तो छोटी सोच पे ना जाए. When I'm saying that, I mean to say today I am in pain, you are in pain, institution is in pain. Of what? The financial part. But the second part says that हम जब भी नुकसान में गए, हमारे फोरफादर्स जो टिक गए पैंडेमिक में, एपिडेमिक में या वर्ल्ड वॉर में, वो टिके क्यों? बिकॉज दे वर फाइटर्स एंड दैट्स हाउ वी वर बोर्न टुडे. हमें भी वही देखना है, रादर देन सीइंग ऑल नेगेटिव थिंग्स डेली इन द न्यूज चैनल दैट कोविड केसेस बढ़ रहे हैं. वी से वी फाइट बैक एंड वी विल सी 3 or 6 months अहेड कि क्या होगा, तो मुड़ के देखने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, हमने फाइट कर लिया होगा. So this is where I'm coming from when it comes to financial part of it. There is a lot of expense to be incurred. Central government has already announced that schools can start for 8, 9, 10th, 11th, 12th, somewhere around 22. State government will come with their own versions and we have to move on once the rule says that. But we'll be very careful, we'll be a little slow. And age-wise, when to bring in which child, we will discuss with the members for sure. But too much of protection also will not take, that will be a wrong side of the coin on those lines. In that case, not to forget that every child of ours will be with us for 10 to 13 years if you join in first 10th standard and lower up to 13. And if we continue with 11th and 12th, which we are planning, it would be like 12 to 15 years or 13 to 15 years. So in that case, when I talk about financials, I've come across so many emails which says, Baiju wala rate lagao. If you all have read, I don't know, but I said, Baiju wala rate lagao. So someone else said, teaching mein flaw hai, spellings mein flaw hai, kam karo, discount karo. These are the arguments which have come in. And I just understand that हम यार 10, 12, 13 साल के लिए हैं, हम असेसमेंट देखकर आगे बढ़ने वाले हैं. We have lots of expenses. Unlike an evening class, after school class, school dynamisms are different. It's a system by itself. My own example, my wife runs a Vedic maths class from home. Can she charge something for class not taken here right here? The answer is no. But she started online. But we said this way, 12 sessions hai, 12 session ka payment. That is after school wala class. But can that apply for a school, a complete system where you will be connected throughout your life over 12 or 15 years? The answer is no. They are two different dynamisms. Right? So that's where I wanted to come for. Having said so, the moment state government said, roll back the fees, we followed. We did a circular on 1st of June. We reduced the fees. After that, High Court stayed that order. This is not mandatory. State government does not have the right. So we had the right to go back to the original fees, which is a gap of about 8 to 10%, 7.5%, I think. Sorry, yeah, 7.5%. We didn't go back. We said we understand the pain of the parent and let's stick to this for this year. We'll not go higher than this. We followed that. We respectfully did it without someone's asking. State government said, we followed it. High Court allowed us. We have not gone back. So it is at our will, not because of state government norms. Now, if said, after seeing this, when it comes to the second term fees, we thought what all facilities can we give? We opened up the facility of monthly installment, taking a financial company because we needed the money. So we said, financial company, you take the load. If there would be a cost, we will bear the cost. Take deferments. And we said that if you are really into trouble, apply for it, give your justification. If you are eligible, we'll not knock your doors or call you till 30th November, 3 महीने, तब तक तो वापस सब जागरूक हो जाएगा. So that is the second option. The third is still a challenge. We are offering the scholarship model. Scholarship says आपको 10% fee ही भरना पड़ेगा if you are proving that you fall in that category, and so on. And that scholarship opens up till the child is with us, provided we have that capacity to take it. So these are the things which tell us that we opened up, and we are not restricting those. That is the first letter which reached you. Then we started getting communication. One is this copy-paste communications with a few hundreds. The others were genuine, who wrote to us. We got a message saying that, please pardon me, I can't pay because I have 3 consecutive COVID cases positive in my home. We resolved. Then came in a few applications, which this is news to you because it's still not in print. It will come in 1 hour or 2 hours to all of you. That is, there were cases who said, we have 2 siblings in the school. Can you consider us? Because one of them have lost the job, because everyone plans accordingly. And we have come out with a solution. The solution is that we'll give you deferment unconditionally without proving anything. For one child, you pay now. For the second child, 1st December. So that circular should reach you any moment. There it is unconditional. So we are answering questions, but it should be genuine rather than that, minuscule mentality of saying that एक साथ रहेंगे तो हमको discount मिल जाएगा. I understand everyone is in pain, but not in pain for the basic necessities, my dear parents. When I talk about necessities, what is necessities we talk about? Food, shelter, कपड़ा तो है, खरीदने के नहीं चलेगा क्योंकि अभी है वो. अगर आगे खरीद रहे हो तो वो हो गया कंफर्ट या लग्जरी. मैं नेसेसिटीज की बात कर रहा हूँ. So food, shelter, and the third thing is education of the child. इस चीज पे बार्गेन नहीं होना चाहिए. क्रेडिट हो रहा है बट बार्गेन नहीं होना चाहिए. आपने पहले सोच के लिया है कि यहाँ पे इतना फी होने वाला है एंड इसके नीचे भी मिला आपको फी, फिर भी बोल रहे और दो, तो देन इट इज नॉट राइट. आई कांट गो बिलो दिस. वी कांट गो बिलो दिस. वी आर equally in financial pain. We have to pay from our nose. So you'll have to pardon us for that part of it. Being sad of saying no. इससे भी नीचे जाना चाहते थे, but we know that आगे का बजट भी हमें बनाना है, and we have made that budget of fumigation and many more things. There'll be many things which will be purchased because of that requirement. And when you talk about electricity का खर्चा, a non-AC house में घर के खर्चे के बजट में कितना छोटा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का खर्चा होता है, उतना ही हमारा छोटा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का खर्चा है. वी आर अ नॉन AC स्कूल, तो हमारा खर्चा इतना बड़ा नहीं है proportionately. And so if you're asking for that, ensure that we are ready to bear the आगे का खर्चा of 4 times or 5 times which will be there, and we'll not coming knocking at your doors कि इतना खर्चा हुआ है दे दो. It is the same machinery which will go on. So this is all about from my side. Please spread the news for the 2 children, but if you don't want to verbally also, it is a circular coming out in the next couple of hours. So if you have the first friends who have, tell them कि कुछ फायदा हो रहा है, benefit हो रहा है, and we all look forward to something which is really good for our children. Let's see something कि मेरा बच्चा 10th में क्या आएगा, मैं कहाँ पे वहाँ होंगी, हमारा प्रोग्रेस कितना होगा. Let's see those visions rather than that, fear and the pain today what we are facing. So that would be my message to all of you.